how much work would it be for you to show us the model, Tom?
If you don't mind us moving this wonderful tripod against the coffee cup, it's real easy.
So here we are in Tom's office at the Fox lot.
Here's the thing: I had it. And you can thank. I know. Sorry.
We're gonna have to censor that, Tom.
Family friendly, Tom.
All right. You know what? Actually, Brooke to help me lift it up here. Do you want to?
Hang my butt on this thing.
Yeah. Sorry. We're gonna lift. We gotta lift straight up. No. I'm just gonna lift it here. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! There it is.
Top of the lid.
Let's put it over here.
We also have a great gym here at Fox.
All right, so I'm just gonna.
Okay, so this is the model, folks, that they used at the Orville.
I can flop the camera around, can't I? It's not doing that. Hold on, there we go. There we go. I
Maybe because we're live.
There you go.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness!
So this is the actual model, folks, that was used to shoot those.
$400,000 worth of fun, kids.
Wow,
that's awesome. Now, what is it made of?
It's made of resin.
Hopes, dreams, and tears.
No, it's a resin. It was partially 3D printed. I'm supposed to be touching it with the gloves, so I'm going to do that here. But a lot of it is old. There's a little kit bashing going on here. For those who know that term.
Yeah, get us in there, Tom. I want to see details. I want to see details that we'd never see before. Look at that. So
you see?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Is it focused? It's a little hard for me to see.
Pretty good. So,
but there's some amazing detail on this. Now, granted, we're making the model way more detailed. As the digital model gets more and more. Sorry.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of foam here. We're seeing a lot of foam.
Wide-angle iPhone, my iPhone 11, not making things easy.
Use one of the other 3 cameras.
Yeah, right.
So is this the model you said that has been dinged and broken, and where are those brakes? Because this looks perfect, looks pristine.
No, the digital model.
Oh, gotcha.
So there is, but I will show you something since you guys are so see this right here.
Yes.
Okay, so because it is 3D printed and because it's a very sensitive thing and it's been on display before. So this over here, there's actually it's bent a little bit. So we keep it in a very special case here to keep it supported. Yeah. And obviously, we can glue this back down and hold it, but it's an aerodynamic shape, and it's gonna deteriorate. So we try and keep it pristine as much as possible now because it's more of an artifact of the show than an actual working model.
Right.
But there's amazing. Was the guy? I think it was the guys at ILM that did this for us. I forget. It was
just beautiful work.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
For us crazy model people. I mean, I've posted photos of it before.
Yeah, we're getting some close-ups here, though, we've never seen. This is fantastic.
I'd love to show you the bottom, but, the light, obviously you have the working quantum rings and all this other stuff. Mm-hmm. And it's probably hard to see, but there's actually, so much for my great filming, but there's a, sorry, I apologize. There's a, if you can see, let me get in there. Hold on, sorry. Hang on one sec.
Yeah, it's all good. It's worth it.
Hang on.
It's very
live television.
Yeah.
Isn't it fun? Okay.
And just another example of what we couldn't do.
The shuttle bay?
Oh, that's so
Nice.
cool.
Do we need a light? Brooke, do you have your phone? Hang on. So this is actually, there we go. Thanks, Brooke. So if you can look here, I'll let you hold the phone and not. All right. So this is, if you knew how complicated this was, okay, now you get a better look at it, right?
Wow.
See, there's actually a little shuttle in there, which is hard to see, but
lower the camera a bit for us. Lower the camera a bit for us. We weren't quite seeing it. If we can just see right into the shuttle bay.
So I am contorting here to get down into the box. Yes. Can you see it?
No, I see a lot of foam.
We're underneath the ship now.
Yeah, we're under it.
They're over here.
Okay. Sorry. No.
There. Stop. Oh.
Wow.
It's filled with foam. But it's beautiful, Tom.
They put the foam, but see the same painting down here. It's the same.
Yeah.
It's the same markings as our actual real live stage. So
yeah, just gorgeous.
Yeah, the foam is put in there recently just to protect. We can pull that out, but I kind of don't want to mess with it because I like the guys from the actual model company to mess with it. So
yeah. Oh, that's fantastic.
There she is.
Oh, thank you for showing us.